Hey everyone, it's Weave. I want to share something with you. All the time I get asked, how much money do you spend on all these products that you test, assemble, unbox, kind of review? And the answer is zero. Nothing. Zero money. And how do I do that? Well, in this video, I'm going to take you back to when I started getting new stuff in the mail for free. And I'm going to tell you how you can do it with less than 5,000 subscribers, with less than 2,000 subscribers. In fact, I got my first product for free with under 500 subscribers. So when I first started YouTube, I was making fish videos. And that's all I made. I was strictly fish videos, and I just shared what I had. I built a fish room. And then all of a sudden, one day, I got this email, this random email from a company asking me if I could do a review on a fish light. And I was like, well, of course, yeah, it's free, I'll do it. And I had under 500 subscribers at the time. So moving on, slowly I gained subscribers, slowly. And then I actually took a break from YouTube and I regrouped myself after about 6 months, and I went in with a plan. I wanted to become an Amazon influencer. So the Amazon influencing program is a program where influencers can make videos on products and promote those, and they earn a commission, right? So it's a great program. I did finally get into it, but we'll get into that later. So free products. What I do is I make a lot of cat videos now. A lot of cat videos that are YouTube shorts. And I share them on Instagram and a few on TikTok, but mostly on YouTube. And they're just short little videos of me and little Aurora right here, the sweetest little kitten. She actually came into our lives back in November, and we've made a lot of videos since. So with that, I started gaining subscribers pretty quickly. In the past couple months, I've actually gained 4,000 subscribers. Just basically on cat videos, a few fish videos, and review/unboxing videos. So with that, I gained sort of a leverage in my head. And what I did is I went to GPT, which is an online tool that uses AI, and I prompted it to write me an email that I could send to companies asking for collaborations. And in this email, I put that I have a YouTube channel and I have other social media accounts, and I would like to do collaborations with you and test your products. In return, you send me a free product and I make you a video. So that's how easy it was for me. So I started sending out emails all the time, heard nothing back. And the way I found these companies is I got on Amazon, and I found something I was into, like a cat product, let's say a drinking fountain for a cat. I've done a couple reviews on those. And I found the name of the company. Then I went on Google and I tried to find their website. In their website, then I went to contact me, contact us, and then I sent my email. And I probably sent 40, 50 emails, and then nothing. Weeks went by, nothing. Then all of a sudden I started getting emails. And then I had a couple of companies that really invested in me by sending multiple products, and it's just been growing from there. So basically, it was all with the effort I put into it. It was me searching for the companies, sending emails, writing the emails, changing them before I send them. That way it wasn't just flat out boring, because I don't want to send the same email to everybody. But I use ChatGPT because I'm a horrible speller and it's fast. And I think everybody should be using it, honestly. So I start getting these free products in. Well, then I get enough confidence for the third time to apply for the Amazon influencer program. So I went ahead and applied to that because I have in the past 2 or 3 times and been denied. Well, I only had probably 3,200 subscribers at the time when I actually applied for that program, the third time when I got in. So then I was like, whoa, I'm finally in. I can actually make money with reviews and videos, which I haven't yet because I'm still not actually monetized on YouTube. So, that being said, now that I'm in the Amazon program, I'm able to use a variety of videos. Like, I'm not just niched down to the cat products or fish products. I can actually do videos on anything that's sold on Amazon. So with this, now I can go to companies and send emails and I say, hey, I have a Amazon influencer account. I'd like to do some video reviews of your products, and send my emails out. And now I'm getting things outside of my YouTube niche of fish and cats. So what I'm here today is to tell you that it doesn't matter how small you guys are, how small you are, because I'm tiny. I'm so tiny, but I've literally gotten, I would say, over $3,000 or $4,000 in free stuff just in the last 6 months. And with the Amazon influencer program, I'm actually making money, a commission off of the videos. So when somebody actually buys a product after watching my video, then I get a small commission, and it helps us out a lot. It makes it sort of worth it for me. I love making the videos. It does take a little bit of time, and I do have goals because I would like to supplement my income with the videos, because inflation's up, times are rough. Everybody wants to make a little more money. So that's my whole outlook on everything. And if this video actually does good, I'll do more, and I'll show you how much I've actually made in my first month of Amazon, because I was really surprised when I got that. But all I'm gonna leave you guys with is, remember, it doesn't matter how small you are, it's the effort that you put into these programs. It's the effort that you put into anything on how well you're gonna succeed. Right now I'm small, but I feel like I've met goals and I'm succeeding, and I'm not gonna give up. And I just wanna share that with you. Have a good one. See you later.